Hi, welcome to Speak Japanese Naturally. I'm Fumi. Today we are going to learn how to say "konnichiwa," which means hello. It's one of the first words you learn, so let's make it sound perfect. I'll give you 2 tips. The first one, Japanese is a pitch accent language, whereas English is a stress accent language. So we don't put stress on words. Instead, we change the pitch in words, high to low or low to high. So it's crucial to realize where and how you change the pitch to sound natural. Konnichiwa starts low, then moves high and stays high. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa, konnichiwa. This pitch pattern is called flat pattern and is appeared most frequently in Japanese words out of 4 patterns. I'll explain Japanese pitch patterns later in another video. Now, the second tip. There's n sound after ko, and the length of the sound n is the same as the other parts. And konnichiwa consists of 5 hiragana, and each hiragana has the same length. Konnichiwa, 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 konnichiwa. Okay, now let's practice. Konnichiwa, 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 konnichiwa. Next, let's see how konnichiwa is used in an everyday situation.
Hi! こんにちは。こんにちは。いらっしゃい。待っててよ。ごめんね、遅れちゃって。大丈夫、大丈夫。上がって。
Did you hear konnichiwa? If you notice, there is almost no difference in pitch between ko and n. Then you have excellent ears. It happens when the greeting has low, high, high, high pattern, flat pattern, such as konnichiwa, ohayo, sayonara. They would be konnichiwa, sayonara, ohayo. The pitch is almost flat. That's why it's called flat pattern. It's an exception for greetings only. I want to give you some more information. When you come to Japan or when you watch Japanese dramas, you may hear men say chiwas or chiwa to his older friends. They are of course shortened versions of konnichiwa and are used only by men to show some respect, but at an informal situation. Konnichiwa is a polite way to say hello, so everyone can use it anywhere. Okay, if you have any questions, please write it down in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye! またね!